Did President Barroso ask for your resignation during this meeting?
I was asked for my resignation. It should be noted that the report stated that there is no proof at all that I was involved in any misdeeds. It was also stated that the process of decision in the Commission was not at all jeopardized, and it couldn't have been because there was no influence whatsoever, and that no money passed between the people from the snooze company and this person. Hi Silvio, there are some bad rumors flying around Brussels. Could you let me know whether it would be possible to have an informal meeting with Dalli in Brussels and how much you would charge for that? So this shows that these people were offering to bribe Mr. Zammit to arrange a meeting with me. And this is something that Mr. Zammit, I can vouch, never communicated to me. He never asked me for any meeting with these people.